Greetings bakers, let's make homemade butter. To a bowl, add in 2 cups of cold heavy cream and mix using a standard mixer or a hand mixer. Don't use the whisk attachment, instead the beater attachment will be much more effective and faster. This is me showing you the progress midway into the beating. As you can see, some butter clumps have continued to form, but we're not done yet. Keep beating until the buttermilk separates from the butter and you get thicker clumps. Pro tip, place both your beaters and bowl into the fridge or freezer so that they'll be cold before you start beating the butter, and that will make the process faster. So I'm just wiping down the sides of the bowl and showing you the butter that we have now accumulated. The remaining liquid is our buttermilk. So now here I'm going to start separating the butter from the buttermilk using a strainer, and there's our clump of butter. But we're not done yet. Take a bowl of ice cold water and start cleaning or rinsing the butter underneath this water. You can also do this in a sink with cold water running. We just want to remove the excess buttermilk and continue this process until the water runs clear. This step also increases the longevity of your butter in the fridge. Once that's done, you're ready to form your butter. You can either roll it up into a log or place it in a bowl and flatten it out like I'm doing here. And this is great for anything you might need, such as toasted bread, which I made on my channel. Thanks for watching.